Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset iPhone. To erase iPhone, firstly you have to go to Settings. Now enter General and Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset or Erase all content and settings. Continue and it's done. Remember that this function resets everything to factory defaults, including your personal data. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.